Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your analytics with Google Analytics step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Once you're logged in, select the property you want to analyze. Navigate to the admin section located in the lower left corner of the interface. In the property column, click on Property Settings. Here, ensure that your property name accurately reflects the data it will collect. Next, go to the Data Streams section under the Property column. Click on Add Stream and choose the type of stream you wish to set up, either web or app. For a web stream, enter your website URL and stream name. Make sure to enable the Enhanced Measurement feature for automatic tracking of key interactions. After setting up the stream, scroll down to review the measurement ID, which you'll need later. Now, head to your website or app and implement the Google Tag Manager or Global Site Tag. If you're using Google Tag Manager, create a new tag and select Google Analytics GA for configuration. Paste the measurement ID into the tag and set the tag to fire on all pages. Publish the container in Google Tag Manager to activate the tracking. Return to Google Analytics and navigate to the Reports tab on the left sidebar. In Reports, explore the various sections such as Real-Time, Acquisition, and Engagement. Monitor user interactions to gain insights into how visitors engage with your content. Customize your reports by creating custom reports tailored to your specific needs. Use the Audience section to analyze your visitors' demographics and interests. Track user behavior by utilizing the behavior reports available in Google Analytics. Set up specific goals in the admin section to measure conversions effectively. Implement e-commerce tracking if your website involves online transactions. Regularly review and adjust your settings as your business and analytics needs evolve. Finally, schedule regular check-ins to analyze trends and make data-driven decisions for scaling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.